On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be talking about staying safe and focused. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, Warehouse Safety Tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
Workers face more distractions in factories and warehouses during holidays. High order volumes create deadline pressure, which can cause safety mistakes. Common problems include messy workplaces, longer work hours, and worker tiredness. Following safety rules during this time is paramount to ensuring everybody at your facility is home safe for the holidays. Here are some safety tips to help assist with staying focused at all times, not just during the holidays. Number 1, phone rules. Please put phones in lockers or desks during shifts. Check messages during breaks only, and keep personal calls outside of work areas. Number 2, team communication. Please review safety updates before or after each shift. Tell supervisors about any unsafe conditions and ask questions about unclear tasks. Number 3, work pace guidelines. Follow each procedure step by step, plan enough time for tasks, and stop work if you're feeling rushed. Number 4, break requirements. Take all scheduled breaks, rest when feeling tired, and return to work when fully alert. And last but not least, number 5, equipment rules. Use required safety gear at all times, operate machinery as trained, and follow all warning signs. Now, as always, we suggest that you follow the rules and regulations specific to your facility. Safety depends on focus, alert workers prevent accidents, and each person helps keep the team safe. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.